Hey guys, I'm Phil Gertis with the Gertis team of Long & Foster Real Estate, and I'm at a brand new listing that just hit the market. It's a fully renovated and upgraded rehab home. It's 282 Poplar Road in Millersville, Maryland. A 3-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom, fully finished basement home. Let's go inside and check it out. As you enter the home, you're going to notice a fully open floor plan. You've got several sitting areas, a full dining room area, and a totally upgraded kitchen. High-end appliances, wonderful countertops with an overhang that seats up to 6 people. You are absolutely going to love the finishes and fit of this home. Now, downstairs, you're gonna notice that you have a full office space with the potential for an incredible mudroom and laundry. In addition to that, it walks directly out to your oversized backyard with paver patio and your oversized 1.5 car garage. If you look upstairs, you're gonna have 3 bedrooms with 2 full bathrooms. One of those bathrooms is your ensuite to your master bedroom. And what's super exciting is in the master ensuite bathroom, you're gonna have marble finishes, glass shower doors, everything you've always wanted in a really high-end finished home. Now, as you walk down into the basement, you're gonna notice a full bathroom and a huge open area. One of the things I love about this basement is it's currently staged as a bedroom, but you could set it up as a bedroom, a theater room, full fun kids area, anything that you wanted to really enjoy and make this home your home. That's it, you've seen it. This is 282 Poplar Road in Millersville, Maryland, on the market now, ready for you to make this home. Give me a call, let's schedule a tour. I'm Phil Gertis with the Gertis team of Long & Foster Real Estate. My number is 443-889-3095.